This Singer inverter mini-split air conditioner is displaying a P9 error on the display. Sometimes it shows a set temperature of 16 degrees. In this condition, the indoor unit is working, but the outdoor unit is not functioning. So let me take you to the outdoor unit, where I'll explain this fault in detail. Now I've reached the outdoor unit. I've already removed the unit's cover. Additionally, I've taken out the circuit board from inside the unit so that I can explain this error to you thoroughly. This P9 error indicates a compressor drive problem, meaning the compressor is not starting. There can be several reasons for this issue. The first possible reason could be a loose connection at the compressor's connector. If there's a loose connection, the unit will display the P9 error. Let me show you the cover on top of the compressor. If the connections here are incorrect, the unit will also display the P9 error. Now, I've removed the cover from the compressor. If you're unsure how to test the compressor, a related video will be linked at the end. On this compressor, the blue wire is connected to W, the red wire to U, and the yellow wire to V. These are the correct connections. If these connections are incorrect for any reason, the unit will definitely malfunction and show the P9 error. Additionally, if the compressor's pump is jammed, the unit will also display the P9 error. In such a case, it's essential to test the compressor to ensure its windings are not damaged. This test provides a clear idea of where the fault lies. Now, let's talk about the outdoor circuit board of this unit and what issues it might have in this condition. Whenever this fault occurs, there will likely be a leakage between one of the points among U, V, W, P, or the negative terminal. This leakage usually happens in one of the IGBTs, insulated gate bipolar transistors. When such a leakage occurs, it is often so minor that the microcontroller cannot receive the proper feedback. This failure to detect feedback also results in the P9 error. The reason for this is that the manufacturer has set a different error code for severe IPM, intelligent power module faults. That error code only appears when the IPM is significantly damaged. However, in cases of minor leakage, the microcontroller does not trigger that specific IPM error and instead shows the P9 error. Now let me explain the specific issue we found in this circuit board. For this particular board, I removed the IPM. After thorough testing, we discovered that the fault was indeed in the IPM itself. Detecting this fault was quite challenging because at first glance, the IPM appeared to be completely fine. In the off condition, the IPM appeared to be fine during testing. However, upon deeper analysis, I confirmed that the compressor was perfectly functional. This meant that the real root cause of the fault was the IPM itself. Therefore, I am going to replace the IPM. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.